That's like what our container went on from Kuwait to, remember?
Yeah, from Kuwait to Indonesia.
Yep.
I see that. Wow, that's so big.
The boat, Bubba.
Whoa.
Before you know it, those legs will be gone.
Really?
Oh my gosh, I couldn't get his diapers around his tummy.
Oh,
It was huge. Both of them were.
oh yeah? Yeah, no, he's a little bit skinny. When he was 8 months, oh my gosh,
Fat.
yeah,
Yeah, it's healthy.
it's chubby.
You're healthy.
No, he is 16 months, so because of walking
Yeah,
around,
it goes
and
thin.
running, yeah,
And it just starts to fall off.
I know.
It's so sad.
It's okay, he's still healthy. Hey, Baba.